Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another quick video. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn off messages on Discord so that you don't get a bunch of random people like spamming you, sending you random scam messages, trying to steal your money. It's a big issue if you're into like crypto or NFTs or anything like that. So what we want to do, whether you're on mobile or on desktop, you want to come to user settings here. Go ahead and open this up. Then the next thing we want to do is come to privacy and safety. Scroll down here. So now there's basically one thing that you need to do, and it says allow direct messages from server members. So this means that anybody in any random server that you're in, if they're also in it, they can message you. So you want to turn this off, and then it's going to give you a pop-up here. Do you want to also apply this change to all of your existing servers? So you want to click yes, then it makes it so basically only your friends can message you, and now you're good to go. If you want to make a change, who can add you as a friend, you probably want to turn off everyone. Then you won't just have random people adding you. Only people that are friends of friends or people that are already in your servers can add you as a friend. Then once they're your friend, they can message you. That's all you need to do to turn off messages and stay safe from crazy people sending you their spam. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.